Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how I managed to overlay my flight data onto my paragliding videos. And the data has been recording using the Variometer, which is Flymaster GPS SD. And then I overlay them using two softwares. One of them is called GPS Dump, that is what you're going to need, and the other one is called Dashware. Now they're both free to use, free to download. So let's go ahead. Let me plug in my Flymaster GPS SD. And now that it's plugged in, I can go ahead in GPS Dump and click on logs, and I can find my Flymaster here. So this right here is the track list, and I'm going to choose the latest one and go ahead and click OK. Now I do know as a matter of fact that this is not just my flight, it's recorded a lot of other things as well because I had multiple flights that day. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the entries of interest, which was my flight, my last one. So scroll down, let me see where it started. And I'm looking at the kilometers per hour, the rightmost column, and that gives me an idea when I started my flight. So right here you can see I have 0, and right about here I would say I start my flight. So I'm slowly picking up speed and losing and gaining height. So select this and go all the way down. Alternatively, you can just scroll and select all of them. Oops, made a bit of a mistake there. So I'm going to click here, select this, press shift and scroll all the way down and select all the waypoints. Now that we have all our points selected, all I need to do is save the log as a GPS file, GPX, sorry. So save log as, and I'm just going to type flight log and save it as a .gpx file. That's all we need to do. Now that we have our GPS log, we can go ahead and open Dashware and create a new project. Give it a name and choose your template. So I want to use the GoPro template metric because that's the one I like, but you can go ahead and pick whatever suits you. And go ahead and click OK. And we can see the GoPro gauges right here. I'm going to get rid of the speed tracker because I don't want that. Just select it and hit delete. And I'm going to get rid of the GoPro logo right here as well. And then we can go ahead and add a video file. So that's the video I want. Go ahead and choose it. It's right there. Then click on project and add the video logo file as well. It's pretty straightforward, and that's the GPX doc that we just saved. Open, add. I'm going to move around the gauges a little bit to see what looks good and probably resize them. Like I wouldn't mind having this a little bit bigger over here. And I'm going to go ahead and change the size and the positioning for this as well. I think that's fine. Now what we need to do is go ahead and synchronize the data file and the video file. And what we can do over here is just click synchronize over here. And we're going to look for a point in the video which matches the statistics on the log file. So let me see when I just started to launch. And I'm going to slide this like this, and this is exactly where I start running, so I'm gonna trim it. Let's see. There, that's me opening it up. That's me in the air now. So we basically want to match this point in time with data on the right side where I just about start running. And don't forget to uncheck this close course. And once you uncheck that, you can start. And that's me scrubbing around. Till I find the right point. And I think it's somewhere right about here. And let me trim this. Go ahead, sync with video. And I'm going to play and see if these two match. And now not quite, because this is exactly the point where I start gaining altitude. And I think those are actually synced. Let's see.
Okay.
So there I go.
Okay, leave.
Turn and run. Running, and boom, I hit lift image. Recording right here. Alright. And the speed is kind of matching. And yeah, I'm getting altitude. It might not be perfect, but I think I might be them quite close enough. Of course, if you want it to be perfect, you can find a point where you're landing and try and match it up with the data, flight log data right here on the right side. But for just video purposes, I think this is good enough. So once you're done, all you need to do is close this, save it as go ahead and create a video and name it whatever you want. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video.